What's up, sneaker fam? Welcome back to See My Review. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for the latest in sneaker unboxings, reviews, and hot deals. Today, I've got something fire. A pair that sneakerheads have been waiting to see back for years. We're unboxing the Air Jordan 4 Retro Lightning 2021. A bold, bright, and iconic return of a classic. Let's dive in and see what's inside this box. Right out of the box, this pair is just stunning. That tour yellow Durabuck upper instantly grabs your attention. It's vibrant, smooth, and screams energy. You'll see the signature black netted panels on the sides and tongue, along with dark gray eyelets that give it some contrast. The classic Jordan Flight logo patch on the tongue features white and yellow accents that tie it all together. And yes, the Jumpman logo on the heel tab and the visible air unit in the midsole complete the look perfectly. Clean, bold, and nostalgic. Looks aside, these aren't just for show. The Jordan 4 Retro Lightning brings solid performance with serious comfort. The cushioned midsole with a visible air unit offers great impact protection, whether you're on the court or walking the streets. The Durabuck material is not only stylish but durable, and the fit hugs the foot just right for all-day wear. It's a perfect blend of style, function, and legacy. To grab your pair, simply click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the sale page. You'll also find other hot Jordans and exclusive deals on sneakers, apparel, and more. The checkout process is super smooth, and they offer multiple payment options including cash on delivery in some areas. That's it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. Remember, all the links to the website, social media handles, and contact numbers are down below. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover always on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank, /mayshow.ru should definitely be on your radar. This site has quickly become a go-to destination for premium sneakers and stylish fashion items, offering an impressive selection that ranges from the latest hype releases to timeless classics. Whether you're after the newest Jordans, Yeezys, or designer-inspired streetwear, /mayshow.ru brings it all together in one sleek, easy-to-navigate platform. What really sets them apart is their commitment to authenticity and quality. Every product is crafted with care and designed to meet the expectations of serious sneakerheads. But it doesn't stop there. Their affordable pricing makes high-end fashion accessible, and they back it all up with secure payment methods, fast worldwide shipping, and excellent customer service that's always ready to help. One of the standout features for me is just how smooth the entire shopping experience is. From browsing to checkout, everything feels professional and customer first. Plus, their packaging is on point, which makes unboxing even more satisfying. If you're someone who appreciates attention to detail and wants gear that looks and feels legit, /mayshow.ru delivers on every front. So whether you're building your